Welcome to my YouTube channel. First we will discuss about donate truck tax deduction. Donating a truck to a qualified charitable organization can potentially make you eligible for a tax deduction in the United States. Here are some key points to consider. Choose a qualified charity. Ensure that the organization you are donating to is a qualified 501(c)(3) non-profitable organization. Determine the fair market value. The amount you can deduct typically depends on the fair market value of the drug at the time of donation. Keep documentation. Maintain records of the donation, including a written acknowledgement from the charity and any relevant documents related to the drug's value. Itemize deductions. To claim this deduction, you will need to itemize your deductions on your federal tax return using Schedule A. Consult a tax professional. Tax laws can be complex and the rules surrounding vehicles donation may change. Give a car to charity tax deduction. Donating a car to charity can potentially qualify you for a tax deduction in the United States. However, tax laws can change, so it's important to consult with the tax professional or visit the IRS website for the most up-to-date information. And eligibility requirements regarding car donation and tax deductions. Keep in mind that there are specific rules and documentation requirements you must follow to claim a deduction for donating a car. Donate your car for tax credit. Donating a car to a qualified charitable organization can potentially earn you a tax deduction. But it's important to follow specific IRS guidelines and keep detailed record for the donation. It's advisable to consult with the tax professional for specific guidance based on your situation. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos.